Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Dale for beginners, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. Just moving in towards the center of our page, coming down further to the bottom. We're going to draw in a big sideways oval for his nose. And then right on the top, again in the center, for the highlight, just drawing in a smaller sideways oval, connecting that to that top line. Let's come up for the bridge above the nose here, just curving this over and through to the right. Let's come across for the eye. So leaving a gap, we're going to curve this up and out. Replicating that on the right, again, leaving a gap. Let's draw in a nice big oval here. So from that inside line, we're going to curve this all the way around, tucking this up, and we're going to pull that back in on the side. We'll step across to the right, trying our best to line that up as best as we can on the top at the same height. Let's draw on the eyelid here. So we're just going to draw a curved line on a diagonal, leaving a gap. Let's draw on the pupil for the eye. So stepping over towards the middle, slightly across, we're just going to draw in another oval, curving this around and down to the inside. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, leaving about the same gap, curving this around and tucking that into that line. Let's add the highlight. So we're going to draw in a circle on the top. And then now let's just color in at Dale's pupil black. Let's come underneath for the mouth. So stepping over about in the middle of the nose here, I'm just going to curve this all the way around, pulling that back up on the right. We're going to add in a corner bracket, curving this line across on the top. Let's draw in the teeth. So from the middle coming out, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. We're going to curve this line out on a diagonal, following the arch of the mouth. And then we're going to pull this back through on a diagonal towards the top. Now directly in the middle, let's draw in an arch line for the mouth. In the center for the tongue, curving this across to the right. And then stepping up above this line, arching that through to the left again. Let's come underneath for the chin, drawing in a nice big curved line, just basically following that U shape of the mouth. Now let's come up for the eye. So starting from the nose on the left, we're going to frame around the eye, curving this over, and then we're going to pull this down on the left. We're going to do the exact same thing on the right, pulling that up to the same height, and then continuing to tuck this down, ending that at the same height as well. Let's thicken the line up on the top. So we're going to, again, curve this up and in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw on the cheek. So coming up, leaving a gap, we're going to curve this line up, pulling that back in. We'll do the same on the opposite side. Stepping in from this line now, we're going to curve this over and down towards the side of our page. And then from that point, we're just going to drag this line back in from the corner. Let's come underneath. We're going to curve this back down to the bottom again. And then from here, pulling that back into the center. Now for the chin, from that point, we're going to curve this around, tucking that into the middle. And we'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well. Let's continue to close off the head. So on the left, stepping up from this line, we're going to round this out, curving this over. We're going to bring this right into the center of our head. We're going to draw on a tuft of hair on the top now. So we're going to tuck this up, pulling that back down. Stepping in from this line, we're going to curve this over, pulling that back across. Let's come underneath, curving this down to the right eye, tucking that in. Again, on the bottom, tucking this straight down and then curving that over to the left. Now let's round out the rest of the head on the top here. So we're just going to curve this around and down on the right. Lastly, let's just draw in the ears here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this up. We're going to come over on the right, curving that out, ending that at the same height. Now let's curve this all the way down to the side of the head on the top, so pulling that in. Now coming in towards the middle, again, we're just going to curve this up to the top. And then from that point, we're just going to pull this back down, tucking that in. For the center of the ear, we're just going to continue this under the tuft of hair on the right. Closing off the rest of the details inside of Dale's face now, from this point, we're just going to curve this up towards that line, finishing that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Dale for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.